What if I tell you that the most common students, they think they cannot get masters in Germany, but in reality many of them can, and they are missing this huge opportunity because they don't know the process. If you are watching this video, this is a sign for you to take your first step. Germany is one of the best countries for commerce students. If you have a bachelor's in accounting, finance, economics, business administration, marketing or management, you can apply for many master's programs. Even if your degree is slightly different, you can still find a way through bridge courses, strong motivation, work experience or preparatory modules. Top courses in German university include finance, international business, marketing, supply chain management, business analytics, entrepreneurship, economics and data analyst if you have some math background. Germany values practical skills and internships, so your profile can shine even with an average GPA. Some of the top university for commerce students are WHU, Frankfurt School of Finance and Management, University of Mannheim, LMU Munich, HHL Leipzig, TU Berlin, University of Cologne. This university has strong career networks, internship and recruiters from Deutsche Bank, SAP, PwC, KPMG. Now let's clear up common doubt, the difference between MSc, MA and MBA. MSc or Masters of Science is usually more technical and quantitative. MA or Masters of Art focuses on theory, strategy or research. MBA or Masters of Business Administration is designed for professionals with work experience and is career focused. If your program has international management or global business in it, that can give you a huge advantage. Recruiters in Germany look for students who understand global market and cross-border business. It can help you get internship in multinational companies, sometimes even direct job offers after graduation. So yes, the type of degree and your specialization can make you a real difference for your career. To apply, you need to focus on documents and prepare well. Your bachelor's certificate, transcripts, CV, motivational letter and recommendation letter are essential. You also need proof of English and German proficiency depending on the program. An important step many students overlook is academic verification. Indian students need APS, academic evaluation, and sometimes verification of documents through student colleague. Now, if you are thinking that who is eligible, let's make it clear and loud. Student with commerce related bachelor's degree with at least 50 to 60% marks can apply. Some programs may ask for higher grades, but German university also consider your internship, skills and motivation. The key is planning, preparing and applying strategically. I'm breaking down the process into some important steps. Step 1. Check which university and programs match your bachelor's. Use official DAT portals. Step 2. Prepare documents carefully according to the requirement. Step 3. Start APS verification as soon as you complete your degree. Step 4. Take the language test, English or German. If going with IELTS for English, target 7.5 plus band score. Step 5. Apply on early bird basis and keep focusing on 10 to 12 strong programs and not 20 random ones. Step 6. Once have the admit letter, start preparing for your visa, which requires blocked account, admission letter and health insurance. Step 7. Plan your arrival. Open a bank account, register in the city and find part-time jobs or internships. Commerce students in Germany are in high demand. You can work in finance, accounting, marketing, business analytics, supply chain or consulting. Entry-level salary starts around 35 to 45k euros and with experience, you can go up to 60 to 70k euros. Companies like Deutsche Bank, SAP, PwC, KPMG actively hire international students. Having a strong grip on German language will also help you land your dream job. A bonus for you is that Germany allows part-time work while studying, and internships during your masters can directly lead to your full-time job. So your master's is not just an education, it's your passport to a global career for financial independence. Many students feel overwhelmed with APS, SOP, CV, university shortlisting and application. That is normal, but it is doable with guidance. AdmissionLabs provides personalized support for commerce students. We review your profile, suggest the best university and courses, help you prepare documents, guide you through APS, and give insider tips for visas and career planning. Student who follows our guidance have a very high chance of success because they avoid mistakes and focus on what really matters. Start today itself. Follow a structured plan. Make Germany your career destination. Your first step after watching this video can change your life forever. We do offer a free one-on-one call directly from Germany. Don't miss the chance to connect with someone who already have studied and help international students with career building. Most students will watch this and do nothing. Don't be like them. Start your preparation now. Claim your seat in Germany 2026 and secure your career before the window closes. The program are real, the opportunity are real, and the choice is yours. This is your time. Let's make it happen with AdmissionLabs.